Today I am so excited because I get to introduce you to the new Owls in Love EmBundle. Now you're probably wondering, what is an EmBundle? Well, that's easy. It's an embroidery bundle. In this particular EmBundle, it comes with 5 machine embroidery and in the hoop projects with a range of techniques, tips, and tricks that you're going to learn through PDF printable instruction and of course video. So let me show you them in detail, all the projects and what you're going to learn to go along with it. So first up is the I'll Love You Forever applique towel. This is a great way to learn how to work with woven towels. You're going to learn the right stabilizers and of course how to applique properly for your machine. This design comes ready for the 5x7 hoop and also 2 designs split up so that you can stitch it on a 4x4 hoop. The next is the dishwasher magnet, all made in the hoop, and here you're going to learn how to work with vinyl, the right needles, stabilizers, and lots of tricks on how to cut vinyl while you're working with it in the hoop. This design comes ready for the 4x4 hoop. The mug mat in the hoop has a lot of different techniques you're going to learn, starting off with piecing in the hoop, then you're going to be adding quilting, applique, and even a sweet little touch of ribbon for the little owl's feet. You'll even notice some beautiful decorative stitches that I've added, and best of all, it comes in 2 different sizes, ready to stitch for the 5x7 or 6x10 hoop. Next up is the mini hanger. It comes in 3 sizes, ready to go for the 4x4, 5x7, and 6x10 hoop. In this project, you're going to learn all kinds of great little details on how to do paper piecing in the hoop, adding some sweet ribbon detail, and then of course the little ribbon feet. And then you can use it for all kinds of things, jar covers, a little wall hanging, or even a trivet. They say you shouldn't have a favorite child, but I gotta tell you, after creating this collection, these little owl hot pads just might be my favorite. There are so many different techniques to learn in this project, and they come in 2 different sizes, 5x7 and 6x10. You're gonna learn how to use heat-resistant batting properly, also applique, especially with a darker material underneath, this adorable ribbon detail and loop. Of course, you're going to learn how to do fabric concealing, and best of all is chenille. These little owls, they do love their tummies rubbed, so get ready to rub some tummies for these owl hot pads, all made in the hoop.